of her luxury.
So when we say refer to statement of assets and liabilities means.
No, that is with the
That is
in DB
state-
case they have filed it, my lord.
No.
15,000 maintenance amount has been granted. And this till date, even single rupee has not been deposited.
You didn't
No,
file
it's,
EP?
it's false, my lord. That's false.
You didn't
But
file
what-
EP? What is the income?
My lord, husband is working as a part-time principal. He is getting a salary of 30,000 rupees. Also M.Tech. She is a well-qualified lady. She works with a multinational companies. That time only she joined MNC. That time itself her salary was 75,000.
In DV case,
But this
when
is
an
in
order
record.
is passed in MC,
True,
it
my
should be filed in MC. Why would it
MC
be filed
was
in
not
DV?
filed, I think, my lord.
Both of you have not filed.
No judgment which says this an interim maintenance under section 24 is not for a party to lead a luxurious life. It is only for sustenance.
Yes.
The husband's petition.
Where is the statement of assets and liabilities?
My lord, I filed it. We filed it on Saturday itself, but cast list shows that it's not filed. I
You
just
filed
now
it on
went and
Saturday.
inquired.
Where are they?
She said that she'll put some documents we have filed, my lord, some photographs and
Non-filing
tax
of
returns.
statement of assets and liabilities before the court. by both the
statements and
parties.
assets and liability, we are not filed, but we have filed documents of written income tax returns and some photographs of her luxury.
So when we say refer to statement of assets and liabilities means.
My lord, that is with the
That is
in DB
state-
case, they have filed it, my lord.
No.
Uh.
Court, when the court says statement of assets and liabilities means. assets and-
I'll obtain it, your lordship may kindly call it next time. It is in the DB case they have filed. We
Let
have
us see.
filed.
I have to bring to this court knowledge one thing.
I am
Kindly
not
see,
appearing in DB case, that's how I don't
Yes.
have copy.
kindly see,
What is the order
the
include?
order dated 23/9/2019. An interim order was granted.
Where is that?
At-
Page number?
This is the first, I think,
I'm looking at first. That
In
is
this case, my
71.
lord.
Put 13,
4774 of 2019.
yes.
Yeah, the impugned order is that 15,000 maintenance amount has been granted. And in this writ petition, in the first date of hearing, an ex parte order was made, asking the petitioner union to deposit 9,000 per month regularly, including arrears. It was passed in the year 2019. Till date, even single rupee has not been deposited.
You didn't
No,
file
it's,
EP?
it's false, my lord, that's false.
You didn't
But
file
what-
EP? EP.
I am not appearing in the trial
But,
court.
You
Yeah.
means the.
I got it. I believe they have not filed EP.
Lord,
they have to
my
file-
learned friend may not be aware of it, that filed an EP, we have paid up-to-date money, my lord. That money has
Whatever it is,
been paid.
That
Yeah,
has to be
money is
taken care of by
being
the
paid,
court.
he may not,
Now, what is the income of the husband?
30,000 rupees.
My lord, kindly
He
see.
works, my lord, it's my
He's the
petition.
petitioner.
I'm the petition. I'm the
Who has
petition,
filed this?
husband's petition.
Husband's petition for
For
the
the wife.
divorce. For divorce.
No, you're the, who,
Alla,
Who
I
is
think
the
we have to switch.
petitioner?
Huh.
please come that side.
Okay. Because there was no place at that time I occupied.
Hmm. What is the income?
My lord, husband is working as a part-time principal. He is getting a salary of 30,000 rupees. He is also pursuing PhD. The respondent is also a M.Tech. She is a well-qualified lady. She works with the multinational companies. Earlier, during the time they lived together, the petitioner had provided her, made her a registrar of the college. She was not happy with the salary and the administrative work. She left the job and at that time only she joined MNC. That time itself her salary was 75,000 rupees. My lord, like section 24,
Has she not filed a statement of assets and liabilities before the court?
in
below?
DV case they must have filed, my lord. I'm not aware of, I don't appear in
This-
DV
Not
case.
in DV case,
But this
when
is
an
in
order
record.
is passed in MC,
True,
it
my
should be filed in MC. Why would it
MC
be
it
filed
was
in
not
DV?
filed, I think, my
Both
lord.
of you have not filed.
No,
Then you continue to pay that, let it be decided.
no, my lord. She is working. She is earning more
Now,
than the
without
husband.
Filing all that,
I will try, I'll obtain a copy.
not
of
before this court. Why should the court
But
do
there
all
was
that
a
paperwork?
direction that it should be filed. I tried to contact my
Let
client
the
and.
court do that work, not this court. Please
No,
come.
my lord, your lordship may kindly see, there are judgments which says this, an interim maintenance under section 24 is not for a party to lead a luxurious life. It is only for sustenance.
That the court will decide, provided as per the law laid down in Rajneesh versus Neha, you have completed the formalities. which you have
I
not
I
done.
will verify, my lord, I'll
Not
verify and
verify,
produce.
do it before the
We have
court
already
below.
produced some documents, your lordship may
Not
kindly
before
see.
this court, do it before the court below. And let, till such time continue to
My
pay.
lord,
And
again,
thereafter-
again, my lord, they cannot look into that order. This court has to look into the order, whether that order passed is
We'll set
proper.
aside this order. We'll set aside this order and you lead your evidence, let the court pass
Yes.
orders.
Your lordship may
The
also
husband
direct, it's a
is-
2016 petition expeditious disposal also.
The present writ petition is filed, agreed with the order passed in I number 3 in MC number 2147 of 2016, whereby the wife, or whereby the court had granted an amount of rupees 15,000 as maintenance to the wife. It is a case of the husband that she is earning an amount of, earning salary of
75,000.
more than 75,000 per month. And according to the petitioner, he is only getting a salary of 30,000 per month. The court below
15,000 has
one
been.
minute.
15,000 and 25,000 litigation expenses.
The court below had directed the husband to pay 15,000 per month as maintenance and 25,000 to the respondent towards the, to the wife towards the litigation expenses. In the entire order, this court perused the entire order. In the entire order, there is no mention about the statement of assets and liabilities of the parties. What is the financial capacity of the parties? Nothing has been discussed by the court. In the considered opinion of this court, unless the statement of assets and liabilities are placed on record, the court cannot come to a just conclusion. In that view of the matter, this court deems it appropriate to set aside this order and direct parties to file their respective statements of assets and liabilities before the court below. The court has already granted an amount of rupees 15,000 for maintenance and 25,000 towards the litigation expenses till the order is passed by the court. This 15,000 will be in subsistence.
My lord, your lordship, there is a stay order to pay 9,000 rupees.
The stay order was granted by this court on which date?
On
One-
23/9/20,
On
23/9/2019.
23/11/2009.
2009,
2019.
23rd September 2019.
23rd September
19,
2019, till now, the husband shall pay the amount at the 9,000 per month. And from now till the application is decided, it is 15,000. And the
Expeditious
parties are
dis-
at liberty to, the application shall be disposed of within a period of 2 months. And thereafter, even the pending MC, which is a very old one, shall be disposed of as expeditiously as possible.
that's a